In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Google Sheets, a complete tutorial just for absolute beginners. Let's dive right in and get started with this essential skill that will enhance your spreadsheet capabilities. First, you're going to want to open up your Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive and selecting the sheet you'd like to work with, or you can create a new one if you're starting fresh. Once your Google Sheets document is open and ready, the next thing you need to do is select a cell where you wish to insert a hyperlink. Now that you have the cell selected, the next step is crucial. You'll want to visit your preferred website. It's the target destination for your hyperlink. Open up your browser, navigate to the website, and copy its URL. This URL is what will be linked in your Google Sheets, directing anyone who clicks on it to the intended web page. Once you have the URL, head back into your spreadsheet. In the cell you selected earlier, paste the copied URL. It's important to ensure the URL is correct to prevent errors or broken links. Next up, we're going to make it an active hyperlink. To do this, navigate to the menu at the top of your Google Sheets and click on Insert. Within the drop-down, you'll see Link. Click on it. A dialog box will pop up. In the text field, enter a descriptive name for the hyperlink, such as the name of the website itself. This is what viewers will see displayed in the cell, rather than a long, cumbersome URL. Below, in the Search or Paste Link field, you'll paste the same URL you copied earlier. Now, with everything filled out, click on Apply to finalize the hyperlink. At this point, your hyperlink is active, but let's practice a couple more methods. This repetition ensures the process becomes second nature. Select another cell and again, click on the Insert Link button. Once more, enter the website name in the text field. Paste the URL in the Search or Paste Link field and click Apply. Now let's try using a formula to insert a hyperlink. In a new cell, type through the syntax for hyperlinks in Google Sheets. This will look like hyperlink, website URL, name of website. Be sure to use double quotes around the URL and name. Hit the Enter key to activate it. Your cell now contains a clickable link. Finally, to test your new hyperlinks, simply click on them to verify that they take you to the stated website. This confirmation step ensures all your links are working correctly and will save you trouble later on. You've now mastered adding hyperlinks to Google Sheets. Practice this a few times to become comfortable, and you'll be linking like a pro in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy linking.